Welcome to my channel. Today's home remedy clove cream. Take a bowl. Clove powder 1 teaspoon. Rose water 2 tablespoons. Mix and sit for 3 to 4 hours. Take another big bowl. Pour the mixture. Aloe vera gel 1 tablespoon. Vitamin E oil 1 teaspoon. Coconut oil 1 tablespoon. Mix well. Transfer in a container. Benefits of the product: reduce acne, pimples, and dark spots, control excess oil, soothe mild skin irritation and redness, protect skin from damage, improve skin texture and feel smoother, gives healthy glowing look, support anti-aging care. Apply in night time and in circular motion. See the difference between 3 to 4 days. Now the clove cream is ready to use. Sensitive skin will always take a patch test before using.